just about the whole British team.
Really?
We have put one heck of a good team in there. I mean, obviously Ainsley is the one, I suppose. It's tough for Ben, actually, because everyone expects him to win another gold medal. I mean, after all, in 4 Olympics, he's won silver, gold, gold, gold. And we expect him to win another gold medal. So the expectation on him is huge. But I think, unlike footballers, he's a trifle more solid and can deal with it. Which look at the rest of the team. There's a very strong team there. And I think it'll be very interesting to see how well we do. Well, usually our competition would come typically from Australia, in certain classes Brazil, United States, of course, and France. And occasionally the Germans pop in there. But there's 1 or 2 Scandinavians. I mean, there is good competition. This is not a shoe-in. Our people are going to have to sail really hard to beat the others to get a gold medal. So it's going to be some tough, tight racing, but then that makes it more exciting, isn't it?